Hi, welcome to Blender 3.5. Now let's look into the Timeline Editor window. You can notice the Timeline Editor at the bottom of the default 3D viewport. It is indicated by the clock icon on the screen left. The timeline consists of few menus like playback, keying, view and markers, auto key toggle button options, playback controllers, playhead frame editor, preview range, timeline or render frame ranges. You can also click on the border frame to move the editor up to reveal the frame range numbers. Playhead position with blue line and frame number highlighted in blue. The timeline can be pan-zoomed in or out like in Maya. You can also select the playhead and move around manually. Also you can type in the frame number. The start frame and the end frame can also be set here, like in Maya. Also you can set the preview range by toggling the timer icon. The preview range will play back on the set range and loops. The Timeline Editor also displays the keyframe of the selected keyed objects. The keyframes appear orange in color if it is selected in the timeline. If the two consecutive keys have same values, then it is connected by an orange bar. The keys can be selected individually or in groups and moved around the time. It can be duplicated or deleted as per the need. Auto key can be set at various options to only add and replace or replace, etc. The playback menu has many options to adjust as per the needs. The playback controllers has play pause in forward and reverse directions, go to start, or go to end frame buttons and jump to next and previous key frame buttons. The playback menu has many options to adjust as per the needs, like sync play every frame, audio scrub, mute, play in various types of editors, etc. Keying menu has options to set different types of keying sets, keyframe types. View menu is similar to the other view menu and with some options related to timeline. Sync visible range helps to keep the multiple editors in sync when we work. You can frame frame all keys in the timeline just like how you work in 3D viewport. Use the Maya shortcuts F or A. The marker menu helps to create markers. Use M shortcut key. Also you can move the markers around, rename and edit.